Okay, so this is what I make with this machine. I just bought it specifically for that because I love to put sofrito in my food. This is some of the sofrito that I have made. I make way more, but I share with my daughters because they are Spanish too and they love their food with sofrito. And I don't make milkshakes and stuff like that because I really don't drink that stuff. But I'm sure that if you wanted to put apples or oranges or whatever you want to put in it, it will work just fine. I put onions, I put peppers, cilantro, culantro, olives, garlic, all kinds of things in this machine. And look how nice it comes up. I mean, it is amazing how wonderful it is. And the taste, oh my Lord, the food comes out lovely, tasteful, fantastic. This machine doesn't weigh a lot. It comes with everything you need. And I'm gonna get a second video of it so you can see what comes in with it.
Well, I'm using the Black & Decker 8-cup food processor. So good. So far, so good. My only problem with it is it's super loud. Listen.
See, it's on and it's put in correctly, so I don't know why it's not turning on. The buttons just click, doesn't do anything.
The blade on, not working, not working, piece of crap.
So I just bought these Black & Decker food processor. I'm trying to make this work. So everything put in perfectly. I followed the instructions, and then see, now it's plugged. I'm trying to turn this on. Nothing happened. Don't know why. It just pops up, just makes some snapping noise, but does not work. It's not turning on at all.